Hey y'all, it's Whitney Nicely from Whitney Buys Houses, and I am the broker for Whitney Buys Houses, so I want to talk to the real estate agents. All right, ladies, you are out there hustling your buns off, chasing that clear to close so that other people are making the big bucks, aren't you? I know you are, because I used to be like that. I used to be one of those regular agents representing everybody else, watching the investors make 6 figures at a closing, and I was barely picking up 4 figures at this same closing, and I did all the work. It was crazy. I said, no more. All right, I'm not representing these other people anymore. I want to be a real estate investor. I got my license because I wanted to buy houses, because I wanted to be a landlord, because I wanted to buy apartments. But I got so busy, I got so tied up doing the regular real estate agenting thing that I forgot my goal. I forgot my purpose. My goal and my purpose was to create passive income, monthly checks automatically. That was what I wanted when I got started in real estate, not to help other people get their passive income set up. There's nothing selfish about that, ladies. Once I stopped listing houses, I had a ton more time to dedicate and to focus on building my portfolio. And that's what I want for you. I want you to stop chasing that clear to close. Agents, you're making your broker rich. You're making your property management company rich. You are making your bankers rich. And you're doing all the legwork. You're the one running around town like a chicken with your head cut off. Stop it, girls. Stop it. All right? Come to Knoxville, November 6th through the 9th of 2019. Join me and 118 other women, some agents and some non-agents, some trying to leave agenting and some trying to decide to retire their license, and some not. Some agents that will be here are absolutely killing it in the agenting world, but they know that they don't want to chase that clear to close forever. All right? Come join all of those women, 118 of those women, right there at the Mill and Mine building. We're going to be walking through those doors on November 6th, and we're going to be walking out on November 8th, totally changed women. All right? We're going to be smarter. We're going to work better. We're going to stop running around town like a chicken with our head cut off. We're going to start making offers. We're going to start building that passive income, and we're going to start living our best life. And we're going to be pushing each other to do that. So I want you to join us. Agents, this is not a regular real estate agenting kind of thing, all right? This is real estate investing like a woman, like a Proverbs 31 woman, all right? That's what I want for you. She goes to inspect a field and she buys it. With her earnings, she plants a vineyard. Ladies, that's you. But you got to get here to get it figured out and get it set up. Go to SheBuysItLive.com and get your ticket today. Agents, you cannot afford to go another year chasing that clear to close without setting up some sort of passive income for yourself. Agents, there's no retirement fund for agents. You got to do that on your own. And that's what we're going to be talking about here. So come and join us. Go to SheBuysItLive.com and get your ticket. All right, tell your broker you're going to go learn what Whitney has to say about real estate investing. SheBuysItLive.com. I can't wait to see you here in November. Bye, girls.